1960s, it was noted that Mediterranean countries had much less heart disease than northern European countries. And people thought it was something in the diet. They thought it was about the wine or the lifestyle. Didn't really know what it was. And it turns out that the amounts of fats consumed in Mediterranean countries is actually quite high, which went against the sort of theories of 20 years ago that fats were bad for you. But it turns out the main source of fats in the Mediterranean is olive oil. So that started people thinking, well, maybe there's something in olive oil that's actually healthy. Gradually, more and more studies have shown that people who drink olive oil regularly have significantly lower rates of heart disease, stroke, and increasingly evidence that cancer is less. There are at least 30 studies of observational cohorts showing this. There haven't been any large-scale, long-term studies until 2018 when they did something called the Predimed study. They were delivering large amounts of olive oil to 7,000 Spaniards, large amounts of mixed nuts to another group they were just giving the standard Mediterranean meals. And they followed them up for 6 years and clearly showed that the olive oil group had these really significant reductions in heart disease and strokes and breast cancer. We're giving them the equivalent of about 4 tablespoons a day, which actually is not far off some levels you'd have in bits of Greece, for example.